Okay, YouTube, so what we got here is the full focus planner. Probably saw it from Michael Hyatt's website. Got this in from FedEx the other day. Just want to do a quick unboxing video of it as I take a look at it. Comes in a nice box, so this is the thing that's all the rage. You know, the last probably 10 years is the presentation of the package, presentation of the product, how it shows up. And I guess you're paying extra for it, but personally I could care less. I just want the planner. But let's open it up and see what we got. Back here it says the Michael Hyatt Company. All right, so again, it's all about presentation. Nice shrink wrap. It's in some sort of cover here. Let's dig into it a little bit. So this is just for the 14-week cycle, not the full year. I don't know if you'd ever use this again, but it's nice again for the presentation. Tells you a little bit about it. I guess this would be helpful if it were on a shelf in a store or something, but since you're ordering it online, you already know what it is, I would assume. So I'm not sure what good that does you, but it's kind of nice. Adds to the presentation. Some bullet points about what's inside, what you'll find, some of the features. And again, if you really want to learn about this, there's some great videos on their website, tutorials how to use it, what everything is. I'm not getting into that much, just want to show you what was in the box. So it's a nice hardcover, slightly flexible, but nice quality feel. It's got a band on the back. You can use to hold it shut, that's nice. Doesn't have a holder for a pen. I wish it did, but not a big deal. Planner I currently have has a little holder for your pen here. So it's all in one package in your bag. It's got the two ribbons, the blue and the orange. I like that to kind of hold your spot, two different places within the planner. That's nice. Initially, it doesn't lay flat very well. I knew that. There's actually a video on Michael Hyatt's website talking about that. Basically says just open it to the middle somewhere and kind of gently fold it back. And then from that point on, it'll lay flat. So, I mean, you just saw it live right there. The first time I opened it, it didn't lay flat. I pushed it open once and now it works fine. So, all right, great. I like that there's little motivational quotes here on every page, kind of get you going for the day. Start at the beginning. I guess you put your information in here in case you lost it or you wanted to gift it to somebody. That'd be pretty nice. Here we got a table of contents, almost like it's a book. That's kind of neat. I guess it kind of walks you through the instructions. Start here explains to you the planner and how to use it. Then you can start on page 3, setting your annual goals. Here's more breakdown of your goals, key motivations and next steps to achieve those goals. We get into our habit goals. So we have achievement goals and then habit goals. And again, he talks more about this on his website. I don't really want to go into how to use this planner, just trying to show you what's in it. Rolling quarters. This is where you put, I believe the plan for this is you put the month and then the day of that month and just have some major, some goals, events, achievements, milestones, just so you can get an overview of your quarter, what you've got coming up. Probably put like birthdays and anniversaries or trips or something like that. So that could be helpful. Your ideal week. So a lot of this is just getting in the mindset of planning. Set yourself up for success for the week. And just really for your life in general. This is something unique in Michael Hyatt's philosophy of planning is the rituals. You don't see this in a lot of other planners, and I kind of like this. Just talking about the rituals to start your morning, start your work day, and then kind of shut it down at the end of the day. and that's good. Stress and anxiety management, kind of to manage that work-life balance and keep your work at work and your home life at home. So I like that the thought process is to lay it out and define it so you can be more aware of it. To accomplish your goals, we must distill our dreams into daily actions. I like that. We're not going to accomplish our dreams instantaneously or without a little work, so we have to have the daily actions to get us closer to them. And again, I like that mindset. And then we start getting into the actual planner. I won't go into too many details of this. Again, he's got some great tutorials on his website. Just kind of wanted to do an unboxing video, show you what was inside. I was very curious before I bought it. Didn't see many resources online showing me what was inside the planner. Just more so people just talking about how great it was. So finally it was available in stock and on sale, so I made the purchase. On the back it's got a list price of $39.99. I believe I paid $29 for it. They were running a special, and free shipping. So a $30 investment. Figured even if I hated it, it was just $30. It wasn't the end of the world. So anyway, take a look. Hope you got something out of the video, and if you decide to make the purchase, hope it works out for you. Thanks.